All right, we are here. Right now we're just at the kind of like the memorial place for it, but you can see it's just absolutely stunning. And that's a really cool photo. First one right off the bat, really cool. I'm gonna take you guys around here and show you the memorial area. And this is across the street. You guys can see and probably hear the highway. This is across the street from the mosque. We're not even in the mosque yet, so I can talk. So as I mentioned before, this is my third time here. And this is a must do. If you are ever in Abu Dhabi, this is a absolute must do. You gotta come check out the mosque. It's absolutely breathtaking. Just the sheer size of it is unbelievable. And then across the street is this memorial that I told you about. Sorry about the wind. And they have a little building right there, set up a memorial for their fallen soldiers. And then I'm not exactly sure what these walls or laid over walls are for. I'll find out for you guys, and put all the stuff is gonna be in the description down below. But right now I want to try to get a photo of this little stream thing. So all these streams, they run through the entire memorial, and there's a reason behind it, but I'm not exactly sure what it is just yet. But I love this photo right here. How cool. So if you guys have never been to the Middle East, it's very, very hot during the summertime, and then during the winter time, so right now it's February, during the winter time it's amazing weather. I'm talking 75 degrees in Fahrenheit all day, and it gets cool during the evenings, and it's definitely the best time of year to come would be January, February. It's beautiful. There's some Arabic inscribed on some of these stones I'm gonna try to get with the sun. That's kind of hard. It's not working out. There we go. That's cool. So I did not mention before, but I am using my Canon R8 with the 15 to 35, which is absolutely perfect, especially with these tall stones. It allows me to get this super wide view, but I'm more interested on getting a zoomed in view with that sun behind the mosque. Very cool. All right, let's go back to that memorial. I'm gonna show you guys that. All right, so we are walking in the memorial. I'm gonna be quiet, be respectful, but I'm gonna try to get this wide shot right here. I'm gonna overexpose this one a little bit so I can get the highlights. I think it turned out pretty good. You can see they have the names and where the soldier lost their life at. It's beautiful. Giant glass panels with some Arabic inscribed on it. I'm gonna use this sun ray right here and turn around and try to get that shot. There we go. That's a cool one. Look at that. The sun's peeking right through. All right, I'm gonna try something, do a sun star. Don't have my tripod, so we're gonna see how this works. See that? Not bad. And we got here just at golden hour for obvious reasons. And the best time to see the mosque is gonna be at nighttime. The day is stunning, but at night it's just, I can't even describe how beautiful it is. You just have to wait. And while you're waiting, go ahead and like, subscribe if you haven't already. We're gonna be going in there soon. And so as you can see, we're walking up. There's the stones, the mosque. As we're walking up, you can see the reflective pool. And this place gets packed at night. So if you want to get your photos, get here early. Obviously, be kind and share the best photo spot. But you'll see, just a minute, there's gonna be photographers everywhere. Be in your photo. No, I'll be below you. But I'm gonna go into that little museum thing real quick. I'll be right back.
Okay.
So this is where you walk in at, right here. This is the entrance. And then the mosque is to my right. And also to my right, there's like a little interactive museum thing that explains what this area is for. This is actually called the Oasis of Dignity. This is not for the mosque. They just built this for the soldiers that lost their lives. So let's go ahead, take a look inside. I'm not gonna talk while I'm inside. Hi, how are you? Vaccines. It's a landmine. So these things explain the tablets that were outside. If you want to know what the tablets were for that were bent over and fell over, English and Arabic. Pretty cool. So this is my favorite part. This is what I really want to show you guys. These are all words in Arabic, and you get a piece of paper. Come right here, and you find the word you want, and then it comes up on camera. I'll do one in a second for you guys. I'm gonna do it for my daughters. So this says, the words recreated here are chosen from the poetry and words of wisdom of our leaders that the tablet proudly displays. These words emphasize some of the values embodied by the heroes who are honored here. So I'm gonna pick two, and I don't know what they say. Let's see. And here we go. Got the same words. I'm not sure what it says. Not yet. I'll find out. All right, so golden hour is pretty much over. The sun is setting. I got my artwork. I'm gonna go set up my tripod. Sorry about the wind. And do some long exposures, hopefully. Yeah, I love this one, man. This is the one I bought in Saudi.
Yep. Yeah.
Line it up. And then we wait. All right, I'm gonna try to put on my ND filter and get long exposure while the sun's still somewhat up. All right, see the colors are starting to come alive. The lights are coming on. Not bad. Yeah. All right, 6-second exposure. The lights coming on more now. 2-second timer. That was a good shot I just got. Try one vertical. 10 seconds this time. That's a good one.